me to visit.
To make a good food, not only a good chef, the idea is to get the right ingredients. Try to separate. If you do that, you get clump noodle, lumpy. You don't want that. Keep separate like that. It's still tough when we add more water. You see, like that. Keep cooking. I tell you when to add egg. Sauce already. Water a little bit. See, and high heat now. Sauce and water. I like the lime with the skin. You see? And you put on top. You see? Or you mix with the rice when you eat it. Okay? This is for us Thai people, must have. All right. Ready for the bomb? Here we go. I love the smell. This is the bird eye chili.
I like it. I put it in my rice. I put it in everything.
For my palate, you get the spoon. Taste with me.
Oh yeah.
So good. Is it too spicy for you?
Good. Great.
A little bit more chili, or are you happy with that? A little bit.
If you want to challenge me, go for it.
A little bit. Hint. I want you to taste. It's not only spicy, it's about the flavor, the good.
It's good.
But when you eat, you just don't eat that big chunk of chili, that's all.
Yeah.
You can take it out.
Oh yeah.
It's spicy, but it's
good.
It's good. It's like
No, it's perfect.
many things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect.